So this is the Parker pen. This is the Parker fountain pen that comes with two refills, blue and black. So this ink is washable and erasable. And I never use this pen, so to be honest, I don't know how to use it. But just looking at it, you can see, this black tip and the blue tip is a bit soft in nature than this bit. And here, there is a pin like thing, there is a pin. So if we insert this refill, sorry, I'm just holding camera with one hand, and so yeah, so this one is inserted, and I'm just going to press it hard. Yeah, I think now it's been penetrated, like it's went fully in, and then just close. So it's been closed. So I'm going to try on a paper. So I'm going to try it now. Oh yeah, it's working. So I know how to insert this refill, or how to change this refill on the fountain, this Parker pen. It's easy. Just press it hard and you will hear like a click, and then it starts straight away. Nice.